Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti G37 hood. First, find the hood release lever inside your car, typically on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give it a firm pull towards you. You'll hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up just a little bit. This indicates the primary latch has disengaged, and you're ready for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Infiniti G37. The hood is slightly ajar, so you can reach underneath the front edge, right in the middle. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch. Gently push this latch to the side, either left or right, to fully disengage the hood. This action will allow you to lift the hood completely. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way up. It should open smoothly. Look for the metal prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip it, then firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will securely hold the hood open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches above the engine bay. Don't just drop it. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood to ensure both latches engage securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.